Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. On a busy highway, chaos unfolded as one of the driver's evasive maneuver triggered the domino effect of swerves, resulting in a catastrophic multi-vehicle collision. Speeding driver ignored the stop sign and caused a serious accident at the intersection.
Watch out, watch out!
Whoa! What the f***? I thought we were gonna get hit. I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe Oh!
Crash event detected. Crash detected.
Mama! Mama!
Video protected. Video protected.
Thankfully, nobody was injured in any of three affected cars. Dashcam saved this driver because the person who hit her said that she stopped suddenly, which was not the case. After running through red light and causing an accident, driver and passenger decided to run away on foot. Driver was driving way above the speed limit, not knowing that cops are right behind him.
Slow the f*** down, bro.
You gotta check your mirrors, dog. Mirrors, dog.
This driver got rear-ended because a tree branch fell on the road.
What happened? What happened?
somebody hit the brakes hard. Oh no, somebody blew an engine. Oh boy. Well, there goes your engine. Oh, that smells like shit. Yeah, see you, engine.
Stupid!
Road raging driver tried to push other vehicle off the road. Luckily, he didn't succeed.
Whoa, that was almost an accident. No?
That was red and he tried to pass.
So illegal. Yeah.
Oh, that black one. Oh my goodness!
Wow.
Is your dash cam recording that?
Super Bowl East 2023. It's week 5 of the NFL season, and we
Whoa.
head to Aperture Stadium
What the
this beautiful autumn day for a big
Frickin' Jersey? What? Now he's on the shoulder. What the doing? And that lane's about to end up there. Yeah, just got what, 3 cars ahead. Good job.
You know, if you look at the numbers, according to Apple, 18% faster, 35% more powerful in the graphics, and the AI engine is 40% better.
Luckily, nobody was injured in this accident. Driver was later arrested.
I was crossing the street when I met the love of my life. I chased after her. Nothing would stand in my way. Not the dog walker, nor the hot dog vendor. Finally reaching her, I asked, "What do you call that amazing smell?" Gay flames.
Okay, Garmin.
Gay flames.
Save video.
My love had
Idiot.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.